By the end of this lecture, learners will be able to define the functions and purposes of language and dialect. Explore the intricacies of language and dialect. Identify the communicative significance of language and dialect in our lives. Describe the key concepts related to the richness of human linguistic diversity. Hello everyone and welcome. This lecture explores the functions and purposes of language and dialect, emphasizing their pivotal role in human communication as potent vehicles for expressing thoughts, emotions, and ideas. If you're interested in learning more about linguistics, then, welcome to the UNIV-ENGLISH channel. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, and also smash the notification bell so you don't miss any of our new videos. So, let's begin with this question. How can you define the functions and purposes of language and dialect in different societies? Language and dialects are powerful tools that shape our understanding of the world and our place within it. Language serves various functions, allowing us to express ourselves, share information, connect socially, and give directions. Dialects, on the other hand, play a crucial role in preserving cultural identity, fostering social cohesion, and celebrating linguistic diversity. As we continue to explore the intricacies of language and dialect, we'll shed light on their significance in our lives and strive to promote effective communication, cultural understanding, and inclusivity. 1. Language. Language can be defined as a system of communication used by a particular community or country. It encompasses a set of structured rules, symbols, and sounds that enable people to convey meaning and understand each other. Here are some key functions and purposes of language. A. Expressive function. 1. Language allows individuals to express their thoughts, emotions, and feelings. It provides a means to communicate personal experiences, desires, and needs effectively. 2. Through language, individuals can convey their creativity, imagination, and unique perspectives, fostering a sense of individuality and self-expression. B. Informative function. 1. Language serves as a tool for sharing information, knowledge, and ideas. It enables individuals to educate, inform, and instruct others. 2. Through language, individuals can engage in intellectual discussions, debates, and exchange valuable insights, contributing to the growth and development of society. C. Social function. 1. Language plays a vital role in establishing and maintaining social relationships. It allows individuals to interact, connect, and build bonds with others. 2. Through language, individuals can express politeness, gratitude, empathy, and other social cues, fostering a sense of community and cooperation. D. Directive function. 1. Language enables individuals to give and receive instructions, guidance, and directions. It facilitates effective communication in various contexts, such as education, work, and daily life. 2. Through language, individuals can negotiate, persuade, and influence others, contributing to successful interpersonal interactions. E. Aesthetic function. 1. Language can be used to create and appreciate aesthetic experiences. It allows individuals to engage with literature, poetry, music, and other forms of artistic expression. 2. Through language, individuals can evoke emotions, provoke thought, and inspire others, contributing to the enrichment of cultural and artistic endeavors. F. Cognitive function. 1. Language plays a crucial role in cognitive development and thinking processes. It enables individuals to organize thoughts, reason, and problem-solve effectively. 2. Through language, individuals can categorize, analyze, and synthesize information, enhancing their cognitive abilities and facilitating learning and understanding. 3. Language is closely linked to cognitive development. It shapes our thinking processes, problem-solving abilities, and reasoning skills. The acquisition of language during childhood stimulates brain development, enhances memory, and improves cognitive flexibility. G. Identity function. 1. Language contributes to the formation and expression of personal and group identities. It allows individuals to communicate their cultural, social, and individual identities. 2. Through language, individuals can assert their belongingness to specific communities, express their values, and preserve their cultural heritage. H. Ritualistic function. 1. Language is often used in religious, ceremonial, and ritualistic contexts. It enables individuals to engage in prayers, chants, and other sacred practices. 2. Through language, individuals can connect with their spiritual beliefs, participate in cultural rituals, and reinforce social and religious traditions. 2. Dialect. A dialect is a particular form of language that is associated with a specific region, social group, or community. Dialects serve various functions, ranging from preserving cultural identity and fostering social cohesion to promoting linguistic diversity and enabling effective communication within local communities. They play a vital role in maintaining oral traditions, asserting identity, and providing a platform for artistic expression. Here are some key functions and purposes of dialect. A. Cultural identity. 1. Dialects reflect the unique cultural heritage and traditions of a particular region or community. They serve as markers of identity, connecting individuals to their roots and fostering a sense of belonging. 2. Dialects preserve cultural values, customs, and historical narratives, ensuring their continuity across generations. B. Social cohesion. 1. Dialects strengthen social bonds within a community. They create a shared language system that promotes solidarity, cooperation, and mutual understanding. 2. Dialects facilitate effective communication within specific social groups, allowing for a deeper connection and a sense of unity. C. Linguistic diversity. 1. Dialects contribute to the richness and diversity of languages worldwide. They showcase the vast array of linguistic variations, accents, and vocabulary that exist within a language. 2. Dialects challenge the notion of a standardized language, highlighting the importance of embracing linguistic diversity and promoting inclusivity. D. Communication within local communities. 1. Dialects enable effective communication within local communities, especially in rural or isolated areas. They provide a means for individuals to understand and be understood by others in their immediate surroundings. 2. Dialects often contain specific vocabulary, expressions, and idioms that are unique to a particular region, facilitating clear and efficient communication among community members. E. Preservation of oral traditions. 1. Dialects play a crucial role in preserving oral traditions, folklore, and storytelling. They carry the cultural history and wisdom of a community, ensuring that traditional knowledge is passed down through generations. 2. Dialects maintain the authenticity and richness of local narratives, songs, and legends, contributing to the cultural heritage of a region. F. Resistance and identity assertion. 1. Dialects can be used as a form of resistance against dominant languages or cultural influences. They serve as a means for marginalized communities to assert their identity and maintain their distinctiveness. 2. Dialects can be a source of pride and empowerment, allowing individuals to resist assimilation and preserve their unique linguistic and cultural practices. G. Literary and artistic expression. 1. Dialects can be used as a creative tool in literature, poetry, music, and other forms of artistic expression. They add depth, authenticity, and local flavor to artistic works, capturing the essence of a specific community or region. 2. Dialects provide a platform for local artists to showcase their talent and contribute to the broader cultural landscape. Conclusion. Language and dialect are integral components of human communication, serving as powerful tools for expressing thoughts, emotions, and ideas. Language and dialects serve a multitude of functions, ranging from expressive and informative to social and directive, promoting linguistic diversity and enabling effective communication within given communities. It allows individuals to express themselves, share knowledge, connect with others, and navigate various aspects of life. Understanding the functions of language and dialects helps us appreciate their significance in our daily interactions, personal growth, and the development of society as a whole.